here at the Royal Victoria Docks and we're organising the second London City Swim. It all started 7 years ago in Amsterdam, where a couple of friends put together a swim through the canals, and that was to honour one of their friends who had passed away because of MND.
I met Gerrit Jan a few years ago at the International Alliance of MND Association. Through Gerrit Jan I learned about the Amsterdam City Swim, and I had the pleasure of visiting the City Swim one year, and it was such an amazing event.
That was such a big success that they said we've got to do this everywhere around the world. So it's happened in New York, and today it's happening again in London because this is the second swim. Today we're raising funds for the Stephen Hawking Foundation and the MND Association. This is actually a sold-out event. We'll have 500 people here in total, and we're all doing it for exactly the same causes, which is raise funds for MND.
We're a proud member of the Alliance as well, and you started this thing, let's say more than 25 years ago.
Yeah.
And we're very happy that we joined the Alliance and that we have more than 75 members now in almost 50 countries.
I think what's been great tonight is not only that there have been more swimmers here in London, but that we've been able to support a number of swimmers this evening with MND to swim and maybe to do something that they didn't think they were ever going to be able to do again, and that's a really, really special thing.
Well, I've been taking part in the London City Swim, which has been raising money for the MND Association, taking part, getting in the water and really just basically trying to have some fun.
So I'm swimming today in memory of my dad Tony, who passed away from MND back in 2010.
I'm here to support one of my best friends, Lynn Garrett.
And I'm swimming all 4 waves of the London City Swim today.
200 metres actually, which is probably as far as I've ever done in my life. So without the help of the MNDA team I wouldn't have done it, but it was a fabulous experience.
She didn't know I was coming today. I thought I'd keep it a secret and surprise her. So I made her cry when I got here. That was good.
It's a challenging day, not so much because of the swimming distance, but there are winds, and that means that we'll probably be battling hard against the winds just to make sure that everybody gets back safely.
Very nervous, not looking forward to the wind.
I was privileged to swim, and last year I swam with Jan, and today I was swimming with Hanno. Being here and being able to swim and helping a patient, that's purpose.
None of this would have been possible without the complete army of volunteers that we've just met, without the sponsors, and I'd say the steering committee's done an outstanding job as well.
Seeing all these people here together and being so thrilled to be here, we have to keep this alive and maybe in other countries, because it helps to get funds for research and for care. So yeah, this is a fantastic event.
I've already said to a couple of people, roll on next year. My daughter helped me as well. She was in the water with me, so she's a brave girl, she's a risk taker, and it was honestly one of the best things I've ever done.
For me, it's very inspirational when you talk to people who all explain why they're doing this today. Everyone has their own reasons, but the common denominator is that we want to find a cure to beat MND, and that's why I think it's a fantastic honor to be leading this effort.
But we'll be back next year in London.
Absolutely, and
Okay.
Amsterdam.
Okay, thank you very much.